I only applied a daily drop of this, and it erased the stains from my hands. It's really impressive. The skin is one of the largest and most delicate organs of the human body. Many people have to face blemishes that hinder the beauty of their skin. These can appear anywhere on the body, especially on the face and hands, because they are exposed to the sun. Each one can have a different color and size, although they all obscure our beauty. If you want to end this aesthetic problem, in this article I tell you how to do it quickly. In nature we can find many remedies that are 100% effective for treating various ailments. This is the case of incense oil, which acts as a skin lightening agent. Therefore, it is able to remove stains that come out over the years. In addition, it serves to disappear scars caused by acne, stretch marks and wrinkles. Essential oil of incense against the evils of the skin. 1. The way in which we should use this remedy is extremely simple and practical. All we have to do is apply 2 drops of this oil in the affected area. At the right time to do so is in the evenings and in the morning. This cycle will repeat as many times as we consider necessary, or the spots have disappeared. 2. If you have dry skin and suffer from acne, you can also apply this oil in the same way. As a result, you will keep this disease controlled while moisturizing your skin. If on the contrary, we want to use it as a moisturizer, we can add 6 drops of incense oil to a bottle of moisturizer. 3. The base lotions that are recommended to use in these cases are totally natural, with agents of natural shine. Among these agents, we must prioritize alpha-hydroxy acids, ellagic acid, retinoids and vitamin C. Incense oil is also rich in anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. This makes it very good to keep your skin healthy. In addition, it prevents the reappearance of acne, blackheads and blackheads.